Hi guys, how you guys doing today? It's the weekend and it's a new week actually, and the market is about to open. So before I get to mark up for the week, I want to go back to last week. So we'll see what we had in the weekly outlook. But before then, as usual, we're going to like have a minute, 2 minutes for every other person to join. So let's enjoy the music, guys. Owó yẹn á wà ó, touchdown gbìsàgbìsà láwà ó, ọmọ ológo dáyà ó. Cash money, ọmọ ìyá mi jọ. Lẹ́wọ̀n sókè ọmọ ló dé tán. Ọ̀gá yìí kò ṣerú kó dé bọ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀ past night, my jet on. Sometimes me I pray to the Lord. That will be on if I like to get on. Many things I know fit all. But if it's me, I don't wanna be poor. Yeah, me, I know me. Let's go back. You grab my body like booty. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ máa mọ́ kàn tá booty. Mo wá booty. Ìjà bọ́ọ̀tì ṣe láyé mi. Àdúrà àjọ owó yẹn á wà ọ̀sán ìlànà láwọn. Okay, so in less than 60 seconds, we're going to start the call and, we'll move on proper.
ọmọ ológun dára àwọn ọlọ́tẹ̀ gara mi ò gánà ìdíje lókè mẹ́sàáyà báwo ni mo ṣe máa gbé happy mílíọ̀nù làṣáyà mi ò gánà nǹkan tó jú mi rí tó jú ẹ bá rí.
Okay, we'll kick that in 10 seconds.
yóò kẹ́sì kó ṣe fọmọ ọ̀lẹ́ bàbá tí ká mi gbé wọ́n yọkọ sí mi ọbẹ̀ ṣe ló fọgà tẹ́lẹ̀ ní sí ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀tẹ̀.
Okay, so guys, I want to look at DXY again. Let's go from daily time frame. So last week I said I'm still bullish on DXY irrespective, but I want to see it break this particular zone before I change my bias, right? But right now it's still the same thing. We saw it go down for a bit, and then we have this bullish movement based on the news. We had a lot of news last week, so let me go down to 4 hours. 4 hours now, still the same bias here. So if it breaks this, then we'll start looking for entries upward, right? So this is what DXY is giving us right now. So let me go back to the last week trade, the analysis I made. This is AUD card. So on 4 hours, I said I want to see it go down. I think it was from this zone. 1 second, I'm coming. So I said I wanted to see it. We had this already. So I wanted to see it come up here to get this, and then it did perfectly. So guys, I was not really available last week, but whenever I do my weekly outlook, I want you guys to take very good advantage of it. I always tell you guys, look at the structure. If it doesn't go against the structure, then my analysis at the time is still valid. So this actually went well, though I didn't give entry, I didn't give nothing to this, but it went well. So AEDJPY, did I give anything on this? No. But right now, I think I'm seeing something on AEDJPY. I'll come back to that. ADNZD, I didn't give nothing on that. I said I didn't like it. I remember that. AEDUSD, I wanted to see it feel this inefficiency, but it didn't feel it. So I'll come back to BTC too. German 30, did I give any? I didn't give entries for this. Yeah, I remember I didn't give entry. Then Euro AUD. Euro AUD, I have some Euro pairs that really pained me last week. I just, okay, so this was the one that pained me. I gave entry for Euro AUD. Okay, it didn't actually get us in. Like at this point for the sell, we didn't get in. It didn't get to our, our level. Then one mistake I made was I didn't know I didn't later send this particular chart. I was looking at it when I was marking it up. I told you guys I want to see it come down to clear this. When it clears this equal low, I want you to see it pick up this other block and then go up. This one was a very nice sniper. Like guys, it gave us 1 to 5.19. Right, this was a very, very perfect trade. I wish we have more of these trades, as easy as this. No single drawdown, guys. So Euro card, nothing. Euro chef, nothing. Euro GBP, I think there was something on this. Okay, guys, this was very painful, and this was the news. I would have extended the stop loss if I was active last week because we had the news. But the news kicked us out and then went straight for our TP. This is painful, but the bias is still very amazing. It was a very low risk. I wish we had kept the SL at 10 pips, but it was 7.5. That's fine. Euro JPY, we didn't have any markup for it last week. Euro USD, I think this one too was a straight SL. The news came for us badly. Can you see SL straight up? Oh, yeah, we good. GBP AUD, we don't have anything on GBP AUD. There was nothing on all these other ones. GBP USD. This one, okay. Our bias is still our bias. We're waiting for it to either give us this long-term buy, or now we can start looking for sales because of this inefficiency. So we'll start looking for sales to get to this buy. That's all right. NZD USD, was there a markup on that? No. Gold. So this gold, it actually caused a lot of confusion, and I will clarify everything now, guys. Once I mark up charts for weekly analysis, what I want you guys to do is look at the analysis, right? So far, it doesn't break that particular entry, guys. The trade is valid, right? So when I sent this last week, I actually was in this trade because this was the only trade I updated throughout last week. So it picked us in, it was almost sniper, but we had a little drawdown, and then it went straight to about 70 plus pips in profit. And then I told you guys, I remember to tell you guys to actually like put your stop loss to entry. So I want you guys to understand something. When trading, I always tell you guys my own pattern of trading. When I get 30 pips in profit, my stop loss goes straight to my entry, and I take like 30% of my trade. I learned this personally based on past experiences and all. And you can't go broke taking profit, right? So let's go to today's markup, guys. Okay, before I go to the markup, let me just go to BTC. There's something I want to show you guys on BTC. Like I said, I told you guys that I see BTC bullish. So let me go to the 1 day. This was where I explained. I said, and I remember so well, it came to, take us back to our uptrend. And at the time, Bitcoin was on this particular candle here. And I said, I see it bullish. Even till right now, guys, I still see Bitcoin bullish, right? So let's go to what we have for this week. This week there will be a lot of corrections because of what happened. The news last week was so crazy. So on 4 hours, AUD card, this guy is still bearish, but I'd like to see you give me a better market structure. AUD JPY. Honestly, this guy is bearish, but I think it has given us where to enter from. We can as well see an entry from here. It's going to give us a very small stop loss, but right now we are going to increase the SL for a bit. It is 4 hours. Let me go down to 1 hour so we get better entry. Okay, so here we have this. I'd like to see it come deep into this zone, and then I feel like 35 pips is all right. Because this went for this, then now we're coming to get this again, and I want to target the last low. So I'll have us see 1 to 4 risk to reward. So AEDJPY is the first thing I think I have a markup on, right? We can all see it's now bearish. We have the break of structure right here, guys. It broke structure right here. It was bullish, 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 bullish until it broke the structure right here. So here we have our BOS. BOS is the break of structure, guys. Here, right? So we need to see it come back to pick us in, and then we keep going, keep trending downward. That's bearish direction. AED I don't really trade it just once in a while, and I don't even like the structure at the moment. Keep creating, see it's equal lows, equal highs, equal. It has created another one here, so I really don't like what it is doing. AED feels like it's still bearish, but I don't like the fact that it feels consolidating. Okay, let's just leave it. Germany 30. That's why I said we'll have a lot of correction this week. So let's just take it calm. We're going to get what we want to get, right? So now, this immediately it started creating higher highs, higher highs, higher lows. So right now, I want to see this particular pair. Now I don't want you guys to get me wrong. Let me move this to this place. So we don't have we don't we're not on different pages. I want us to be on the same page. So now we have this from here to here. I want to see this guy break this top. If he breaks here, that's confirmed that we'll come back to this point to pick an entry. So if he does that, then I want to see something like this happen. I want you guys to understand what I'm saying. It is on a condition of it has to break this. So when it does that, when it breaks that high, we'll see this very nice risk to reward. We'll see about we'll see one to okay, this is a very small stop loss, 17 pips, which can still be lower. 1 second. We'll see about 1 to 6.7. Right. So on the condition of it has to break that particular zone, right? Right, guys. I want to make sure I have okay, say EDJP. Okay, let me go to Euro card, nothing. Euro CHF. It didn't get to where we wanted to get to. Super painful. We're still not broken this. Let's continue. Euro GBP. I was paying the SL, but we move. Euro JPY. Supposed to be a downward move already, but now it's creating higher high, equal highs rather. So let's see what happens to this at the open of the market. Now this Euro NZD downtrend started creating higher high. So you might want to see it come this way and then take us upward, right? Around this zone. That's for Euro NZD. Euro USD. Okay. Has not really broken this low. I want to see it break, then come back to pick us in from here to GA. The moment I don't really like the structure of most of this. They need to break the last low or the last high. GBP NZD. It looks like it has broken this high. We could see it come downward. Everything I want us to do is just to take it calm. We would get entry definitely. The market looks like it's going to correct itself and keep moving, right? So these are what I think would have GBP USD. Let me see these two. It broke this. So I want to see GBP USD do this for us because I think I'm really interested in this trade, but I'll still want to see it play out. So we have this, and I'll pick the 50% of that for an entry, which is going to be somewhere around here. And then I would love to see something like this. This should be a very nice trade if it comes out our way. 25 pips for about, I want to write it as low as our initial target, this area, but I want to see here. So we'll have about 1 to 8.47. I want to see this play out, guys. This would be very lovely if we see it play out. NZD card, I hardly trade this pair. NZD JPY, I don't like the structure. NZD USD. So we have these two. We're expecting the same thing we see on GU. We want to see something like this. Let me see 4 hours. 4 hours might give us a better okay, he's not giving a better one. I'll go back to okay, it's actually not bad. Then 1 hour. Let me see my 1 hour. Okay. Let's see. One day might print something better though. Okay, it is not. 30 minutes. Okay. So I'll employ my Fibonacci as usual. Okay, personally, I want to see 50% of this through my actually care. Oh, I get this. $11 pips. Okay. Yeah, just target the last low. Like this. Um, Let me see now. It's 100. Okay, I would prefer to mark up that when it is trending. USD card. Um, XX GBP, XXS USD. Want to see bearish move. USD XXS. Want to see bullish move. That's just the shortcut to knowing, you know, direction of DXY. Look, can you see this? Something like this. The news actually left us with a lot of inefficiency, and we'll see a lot of correction this week. So we might see something like this. You know, 20 pips is fine. Then we might this and beyond. USD CHF. I see how this is relating to DXY. Let me go back to DXY so you guys see. Told you guys DXY now. Still want it to come down low and then push higher. So they are all. So now DXY want to see it come low for a bullish move. That means USD anything, we'll see it come down first, then it give us a bullish move. Then XXS USD, we'll see it go up first to give us an entry for a sell. So I'm loving these guys. You only just learn. That's one thing I know for sure. It's lovely when you keep marking up. Like I say, we learn every day, right? So gold, go to I want to see gold push up a bit and then sell. That's what I want to see on gold. Something like this. No, not you. Something like this, which is going to be perfect. But guys, I'm just drawing this. You need to confirm everything. If it all breaks these previous highs, then the trade is no longer valid. Look at the movement, guys. I need you to understand market structure. If there's a shift in market structure, you don't see me in that trade anymore, right? It's a different thing even when I call trades for you, when I give you trades. It's different from when you can know when to get out and when you can know when you don't want to take it yourself, right? Guys, that's my major goal. I want you all to learn how to do these things yourself. Like I said from the beginning, trading is boring, but I want us to have a community. When we do this together, it makes it easier and we all make money. You understand what I mean, guys? So guys, that's all I have for now. Until the market opens proper, I appreciate you all. Have a wonderful week. Let's make money. Bye, guys.